So hello to all. Today is my video presentation on Section 66D of IT Act and its case study in India. My name is Saurabh Agarwal. I am TY CSE student. My roll number is 3129. I am from ADCT College, Sangli. So we should firstly know about what is cybersecurity. Cybersecurity refers to the body of technology, process, and practice designed to protect network device, program, and data from attack, damage, or unauthorized access. Cybersecurity may also be referred to the information technology security. So, cybersecurity, we can say that is an application technology that will help us protect our device and computer device and system network from the cyber attack. Cybersecurity is important because the government, military, corporate, financial, and medical organizations collect, process, and store unprecedented amount of data on computer and other device. So the cybersecurity play a vital role in our society because they will help us to protect the data that is used by the government, military, uh, military, corporate, and financial medical organization. So, why is cybersecurity important? Cybersecurity is important because it protects all category of data from theft and damage. This may include sensitive data, which is personally identified information (PII), protect health information (PHI), personal information, intellectual property, data, and governmental and industrial information system. Uh, the cyber security help us to protect the many kind of data which may be of PHI, PII, and this may be of intellectual data, this may be of personal data, this may be of governmental use data. To protect all this kind of data, we should knows the importance of the cyber security. Without the cybersecurity program, our organization can't defend itself against the data breach campaign, taking it an irresistible target by the cyber criminal. If the we if we can't use the cyber security in our program, that may be the very vulnerable thing for the cyber criminal. They can bridge the gap between the security. They can bridge the security gap, and this may be lead to the very uh, harm for us. So cyber security is important to defend the data breach. So to maintain the society equal and to maintain the law, the Information Technology Act 2000 is uh, accepted, that is passed by the government in 2000. The Information Technology Act 2000 is also be known as ITA 2000, uh, is an act of an Indian Parliament number 21 of 2000, notified on 17 October 2000. It is a primary law in India dealing with the cyber crime and electronic commerce. The Information Technology Act 2000, which is no, which is implemented on the 17 October 2000, which is passed by our Indian government that deal with the cyber crime and electronic commerce. The bill was passed in the budget session of 2000 and signed by the President K.R. Narayana on 9 June 2000. The bill was finished by the group of officials headed by the Minister of Information and Technology Pramod Mahajan. Importance of IT Act 2000. The Act provides the legal framework for the electronic governance by giving recognition to the electronic record and digital signature. It also defines cybercrime and prescribes the penalty for the thief. Act directed the formation of the control of certifying authorities to regulate the issue of digital signature. IT Act 2000 attempt to change the outdated law and provide the way to deal with the cybercrime. We need such law so that the people can perform purchase transaction over the net through a credit card without fear of misuse. So the IT Act 2000 are attempted to change the outdated version of the law that is made by the Indian government to deal with the cyber crime uh, that are mainly the data and governmental data, military data that are breached by the cyber criminal. So we need the law to reform our society. Section 66 in Information Technology Act. So Section 66 are related to the offense of the computer. If any person is dishonest or fraudulently does any act referred to the Section 43, he shall be punishable with the imprisonment or term which may be extended to the 3 year or with the fine which may be extended to 5 year, 5 lakh rupees or with both. Explanation for the purpose of this. So, Section 66 are related to the computer offense. If person is dishonest and fraudulent, they will have to be punished with the 5 lakh or more, depend upon their offense, and they will have to face the 3 year in imprisonment. Dishonest shall have the meaning uh, assigned to the Section 24 of the Indian Penal. Fraudulently shall have the meaning assigned in the Section 25. The Section 24 is assigned for dishonestly and fraudulently is come under the Section 25. So Section 66D in the Information Technology ITA 2000. So 66 the punishment for cheating by personation by using computer resource whenever by the mean of the communication device or computer resource cheat by the personating shall be punished with the imprisonment of either description or the term which may be extended to the 3 year and shall also be liable to fine. If any person allegedly trying to cheat the person with their computer resource with their they are uh, they are trying to get the another person resource, they will have to face the uh, punishment uh, that will be of 3 year and more depend on their offense. Any person dishonest and fraudulent by the mean of the communication device or computer resource cheat by the personating shall will be liable to penalty up to 1 lakh or more and will have to face the 3 year imprisonment. Section 66D application under the law and punishment of 66D, Section 419, which is of the IPC Act under 3 year imprisonment of the section and 420 IPC to 7 year imprisonment or fine. Passport is stolen and used by the someone else for the fraudulent purpose of someone else data owned by you or your company in the any form is stolen, etc. are complaint files under the section 66D. If the passport is stolen by someone, criminals, cyber criminals, or any fraud that are does in a company by the cyber criminal, that will have to face the problem under the section 419 and 420 of the IPC Act, and they will have to face the 7 year imprisonment or fine depend upon their offense they does. So the crime include in section 66D. These include the crime through the use of the computer or other cybercrime, whereby the person gives the fake identity with a malified intention to deceive another. The example include the matter related to the fake Facebook profile or social media account or unauthorized access to the account or other person by fake identity with the intention to cheat. Section 415 under Section 66 Indian Penal Code define cheating. In this, the crime include the use the by the mean of the computer resource. The criminal are trying to make the Facebook account uh, to get the unauthorized access to the account another person. They are trying to um, they are trying to nullify the intention with them and get the needed data they want from them. These are come under the sections 415 and 66D of the Indian Penal Code. And the real life incident include uh, student coach cheating during the exam 10 during the re-examination by use of the mobile. The 17-year-old student was caught by cheating during the 10th exam in the Thane. A few minutes after the maths paper 1 began at 10:30, the invigilator noticed the boy taking a picture of the question paper in order to send to a friend for the answer. The police said that the student was asked to stop writing and taken aside. The police said the authorities and the exam center the call police. A case under the Section 6060 of the Information ITA Act was registered. The officer said the adding probe was on. A 17-year boy was caught by the police for cheating in a re-examination in Thane. Uh, this they are the boy had get the paper early of the 10:30 a.m. Uh, and they are trying to send to their friend for getting answer of their paper. And this is that is a voice by the an invigilator. The invigilator called the police for take the promptly action. For that, the policeman and arrived and watched the uh, boy. And these are all are come under the section 66D for allegedly get the data or allegedly unauthorized access to the paper audit. And another real life incident that is very interesting. A paramilitary man arrested for hacking Kareena Kapoor IT account to get mobile number. The cyber police on the Monday arrested the 26-year-old Central Armed Police employee who is diehard fan of the actress Kareena Kapoor for allegedly hacking her income tax account in September last year. The official hauls from a North Indian state has told the cybercrime police that he hacked her income tax account so that he could get the access to her mobile number using which he could talk to her. The accused has been booked under the Imprisonment, Identity Theft and Relevant section of the Information ITA Act. In this, policemen are the policemen are arrest the 26-year paramilitary man for allegedly hacked the Kareena Kapoor income tax account, and they are trying to nullify with their malign intention. They are trying to get the Kareena Kapoor mobile number so that he can uh, talk to her. And this is all under the section 66D of the ITA Act 2000 uh, uh, because of unauthorized access to the income tax account of the Kareena Kapoor. They are will have to face the problem for that. So that's all. Thank you all for my patiently listening to my video presentation. I ascribe my sir. Thanks all.